In this lesson, I'm going to teach you what a theorem is. It's going to be a very short video, but it's still going to get to the point and teach you what a theorem is. So what is a theorem? So a theorem is a mathematical statement or rule that has a proof. It uses definitions, postulates, and other facts to prove that specific theorem. I did create a video on postulates, so if you don't know what a postulate is, check out my video. It's in the playlist for geometry. So let's go through some simple examples. I won't be going into the proofs, but I'll just give you some examples of what some of the famous theorems. So one of them is the Pythagorean Theorem. I think maybe some of you have come across it. So this is essentially when you have a right triangle. It says that the square of the hypotenuse, remember the hypotenuse is this right here, is equal to the sum of the squares of the sides. Right? So this is a very famous theorem. I will probably be proving this in the future, but just remember that this is a theorem, and what that means, it's a rule, it's a statement that has a proof. It's been proven using definitions, postulates, and other facts. Another good example is the triangle sum theorem. This essentially says that in any triangle, the sum of the angles add up to 180 degrees. So hypothetically, let's say this was 60, 30, and I believe this would be, so that would be 90. I think that's 70. I might be wrong. Don't quote me, but it should, sorry, that should be 90. Okay, so that should be 90 degrees. Now, of course, these are not actual angles, but I'm just trying to prove the point that the sum of the internal angles will add up to 180 degrees. So because it's called a triangle sum theorem, it has to be proven, or it does have a proof. So that's a very short lesson today. I just want you to understand what a theorem is as we go on in this geometry lessons together. So just remember, a theorem is a mathematical statement or rule that has a proof, and it uses definitions, postulates, and other facts to prove that particular theorem. If this was helpful and clear to you, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment.